Hey BH Beauties, Deanna here. Today I created this look using the new Stellar Collision palette and Stellar Lash Mascara. If you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. Taking my blending brush number 7 from the Marvin Magnificent brush collection, I'm going to go in with this pink shade and blend into my crease. Next, taking my number 8 flat brush, I'm going to go in with that same pink color and place that all over the lid. The palette has a lot of different shadows and highlighters that can be used individually to make a foiled effect on your lid, or you can use them as glitter toppers to build on top of your own eyeshadow. Using the same flat brush and the same pink color, I'm going to place that underneath the lash line. Next, taking my brush number 9, also from the Marvin Magnificent brush collection, I'm going to take this light shimmery color and place it in my inner corners. Next, I'm going to go in with a few coats of the Stellar Lash Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I love this mascara because it builds volume at the root of the lash and adds length at the tip, so your lashes have a more tapered effect and don't look overly thick or clumpy. And here we have the completed eye makeup look using the new Stellar Collision palette and Stellar Lash Mascara. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations. See you guys next time.